Hello beautiful people, thank you for joining us. As you could see, we're about to have our dinner, and this is a Nigerian fufu with yam, pounded yam. Okay? So this is how, see the smoke. Philip, remove your hand please. And we are taking it with our banga soup. How we prepare the soup is on our YouTube channel. The banga soup is with goat meat and sesame leaf. Yes. Philip, remove your hand. How we prepare this? Okay. How we prepare this fufu is on our YouTube channel. Philip, take.
Soup.
Like fish.
Philip. Oh, yeah. See. Oh, yeah. Eat. Beautiful people, you are invited.
You are invited, oh, come and join us.
The sesame taste.
This is pounded yam.
2-in-1 combo.
And this banga. Wow. You see the texture of this?
Don't lick the soup or eat. Philip, eat. Yeah. Take. Yes. So delicious.
This is delicious. In fact, this one pass.
This is Happy New Month swallow. The soup is perfectly. Let me show viewers what we are eating.
This is banga soup.
Beautiful people,
Banga.
as you could see, this is our food.
Eat now.
You can see that is our banga with goat meat, sesame leaf, and this is our pounded yam with fufu. 2-in-1 combo. I have to drop this camera.
Try and prepare it for your family. Jẹun kò yó. It's
It's fine. It's okay.
So, beautiful people, we are taking it with this pineapple juice.
This is pineapple juice. We're using it to flush down.
So we don't have much, we have to share it.
Yes, as a family. Let me do that. Let me do that. Let me do this now.
Philip rò pé oúnjẹ yìí dùn.
Yes, no, take a pineapple.
This is pineapple. Yeah, finish it. Eat, finish it, Eat.
Philip, how did you see it?
Philip, it's finished. Don't do it.
Please like, share, comment. This soup.
Wọ́n ti dà sọ́fun. Bísí.
Don't worry, put water for them.
Bísí. Màá fún ẹ ní díẹ̀. I'll give you small. Bísí. Ó tún mú tán. Oh yeah, eat
first.
If you eat, I will give you. Eat now. Manila, oh yeah, jump.
Mommy, feel your
Philip, see your clothes.
No, just put down.
So why eat, just
leave it, Mommy will wash it, okay?
This is too yummy.
Wash your eyes.
Beautiful people. See the texture. You see the smoke. Wow. This is too.
Manila.
Manila. Eat too. Please put water for them.
Yeah, more.
Okay. Yeah. Pineapple.
Really will repeat, this is water. This
It's not as delicious as the pineapple juice. Don't worry, tomorrow we'll do another one. You want this one? Oh yeah, take.
Wow.
Oh yeah, eat. When you finish eating, I'll give you this one.
Yeah.
Try and prepare this for your family. This recipe,
It's you. Otomayi.
Eat.
Philip, it's you.
Take. Yeah, take.
No.
I should put it inside. Yeah,
Kenny.
please, take the cup so that.
Kilo veggie. Yeah, come and tell Bill.
Come and tell Bill bye-bye. Before.
Bye.
Come here now, come and sit down.
Oh, sit there now for sure.
Beautiful people. Philip, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See you in the next video. Subscribe. Like, share. See you in the next video. Watch how we prepare the fufu and the burger is on our YouTube channel, okay? Bye-bye.